Nobody told you this. Right now, there are students making more money than their teachers. Not from crypto, not from gambling, not from rich parents. They're doing it with a business that costs $0 to start. No office, no inventory, no employees, no degree required. And the craziest part? Most students could start this in the next 7 days, but they won't. Because schools train them to look for jobs, not build income. Today, I'm going to show you the exact $0 business model students are using in 2026 to make their first $500, then $1,000, then even $2,000 a month while still in school. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you the fastest way to get your first paying client even if you have zero experience. The lie students still believe. Most students live inside the same script. Study hard, pass exams, graduate, send resumes, hope someone hires you. That's the path they were given. But there's one problem. The world changed. Companies are hiring less, AI is replacing entry-level work, degrees are expensive, and competition is brutal.
Meanwhile, students with laptops are quietly building businesses from their bedrooms. They're not waiting for permission. They're learning one skill, solving one problem, and getting paid monthly. That's the game now. And if you understand this early, you can completely change your future. What is the $0 business model? It's called a service business. Simple idea. Instead of selling products, you sell results. That means someone has a problem and you help fix it for money. No need to buy stock, no need to rent space, no need for startup capital. You only need a skill people want. And in 2026, businesses need skills more than ever. Because everyone wants attention online, but most people don't know how to get it. So if you can help businesses grow online, you become valuable instantly. The 3 best $0 businesses for students right now. 1. Video editing. Every creator wants content. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. But most people hate editing. They don't know pacing, captions, hooks, cuts, music, effects. If you learn editing, you can charge monthly. One client might pay $300, another pays $500, another pays $1,000. And all you need is a laptop and free software. 2. Social media management. Restaurants need Instagram, gyms need TikTok, local brands need content. But many business owners are too busy or clueless. They know social media matters, but they don't know what to post. You help them with ideas, captions, posting schedules, growth strategy. That becomes recurring monthly income. 3. Freelance writing. Businesses need words that sell. Emails, ads, landing pages, product descriptions, scripts. If you can write clearly and persuade people, you can get paid from anywhere. Words are money. Always have been. Why most students fail? Now listen carefully, because this is where almost everyone loses. They try to learn everything. Editing, design, writing, coding, marketing. They become busy, but never valuable. The rich student doesn't learn 10 skills. They learn one useful skill deeply. That's it. Pick one lane for the next 30 days. One skill, one market, one goal. That focus alone puts you ahead of most people. How to learn fast for free. You do not need paid courses. You do not need mentors charging $1,000. Use free resources. YouTube tutorials, free tools, practice projects. If you want editing, download free clips and edit them. If you want copywriting, rewrite bad ads. If you want social media management, redesign a dead Instagram page. Skill grows through reps, not theory. Most students spend months watching videos. Winners spend days learning, then start doing. How to get your first client. This is where money starts. Open Instagram, TikTok, Google Maps. Find small businesses with weak content, bad videos, no captions, inactive page,
ugly branding. Then send this message. Hey, I noticed your page could grow faster with better content. I made a quick idea for your brand. Want me to send it? That's it. No long pitch, no fake corporate language, no begging. You lead with value. Do that 20 times a day.
Most people send 2 messages, get ignored, quit.
That's why they stay broke. Consistency wins here. How to price yourself. Your first client is not about money. Your first client is about proof. Charge low if needed. $100, $150, $200. Get the testimonial. Get the results. Build confidence. Then raise prices fast. $300 monthly, $500 monthly, $800 monthly. Now imagine this. 4 clients paying $500 a month equals $2,000 a month, while still in school. That can change your life in many countries. Why students have the biggest advantage? You may think you're behind. You're not. Students have 3 huge advantages. 1, time. You can build evenings and weekends.
2, low risk. No mortgage, no family payroll, no massive expenses. 3, energy. You can learn faster and move quicker than most adults trapped in routine. That means this might be the best time in your life to start. Later, life gets heavier. Right now, you're free enough to build. The brutal truth about 2026. In 2026, average people wait. Smart people build assets. A skill is an asset. A client base is an asset. Your reputation is an asset. If you spend the next year scrolling, you stay where you are. If you spend the next year building a skill business, your entire future can shift. 1 year from now, some students will still be asking, who's hiring? Others will be saying, I'm fully booked. Which one will be you? The biggest lie ever told to students is this: money starts after graduation. No, money starts when you become useful. Pick one skill, practice daily, reach out daily, get one client, then another. That's how freedom starts. If you're serious about escaping the normal path, start this week. Because the $0 business model is real, and someone less talented than you is already doing it.